Molly here. Today we're going to do a craft called salt painting. For this craft you will need thick paper such as cardstock, poster board, or a paper plate. You will need squeeze glue, watercolor paint, a little cup of water, and some salt. I'm going to use a paper plate for my craft, and I have already drawn a design on it. So first you will need to draw a design on your paper, and once you're finished, you will put the glue on top of your design. Once you have all the glue on there, you're going to take your salt and sprinkle it all over the glue. Okay. Need a little bit more. And then you need to get all the salt off your paper. So I'm just dumping mine onto a paper towel. And I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, next step is to use your paint. Remember, we're using watercolors for this craft. You don't want to press too hard on the glue from the salt mixture because it will mess it up. So we are just dabbing it on lightly. And there is a finished salt painting. You'll need to let it dry for probably 24 hours before you hang it up. Thanks for watching.